connected, and in some cases they're the weather itself. The wind drives our turbines, the sun brings us solar power, and rain fuels hydroelectric plants. Now, we know what the weather's doing at the moment, but what exactly does the future hold? It's hard to say exactly how our weather will turn out in the next few decades, but one thing's for sure, we will see different seasons. There could be more extreme rainfall events, for example, and it will warm up a touch. So there's lots to think about, really quite a challenge, I should think, for the turbine designers and water managers. Now, our weather has been providing a few challenges itself because we've had some pretty wet weather in the last couple of days. Let's take a look at what we've had then. Heavy rain in Capel Curig in North Wales on Wednesday. Yesterday, South Wales had the heaviest rain at Sennybridge in the Brecon Beacons. And that means we've had plenty of flood warnings issued by the Environment Agency. Now 44 in force, and with more heavy downpours likely, here's a reminder of our floodline number. It's 0845 988 1188. Now, it's a very unsettled picture for the start of the week with this pretty angry low sitting here to the southwest. It'll bring more showers today and quite strong winds, and it'll only be slowly clearing to the east tomorrow. Once it does, though, there should be a bit of a respite on Tuesday, slightly calmer, quieter weather before this angry low drives into the southwest to bring some very, very windy weather. And then that low really dries our weather for the rest of the week. Let's take a look at what we have at the moment then. And we do have some rain pushing up into Scotland. For the rest of us, it's actually been quite pleasant to start the day, but we're seeing showers now just developing close to the southwest, and these will get their act together through today. Some heavy, squally showers, thundery downpours, pretty poor if you're travelling. Further east, though, you should get away with largely dry weather with some sunshine until late on. And it's remarkably mild, 18 in the south, and very mild too across much of Northern Ireland and Northern England and southern Scotland. And a mild night to come tonight, but with low pressure slap bang over us, it's going to be very showery, some really nasty, squally, thundery downpours, and gales to add to the problems too, especially across South Wales and southern England. In fact, the Bristol area could well have some really very windy weather for a time during tonight before it calms down tomorrow. So Monday's forecast then calming down slowly as our low pressure area tends to drift away eastwards. Still quite a lot of showers, I think, a bit of a disappointing day, but slowly things will improve with some sunshine. And then, better still on Tuesday, that little ridge of high pressure giving most of us some quiet weather with some sunshine. A little bit cooler perhaps at 10 to 14 degrees. And mostly dry still, I think, in the north on Wednesday. Some sunshine, although it'll become windier. It's the south where we'll see the most significant changes. Remember that low? That will bring winds and rain to the southwest. And I think it'll be winds that are the main concern. Now, this is something we'll be following right through the week because it could be that we see trees down and some disruption to transport across the southwest. The main risk of disruption for southwest England and Wales. And this is something we'll be firming up on, as I said. For Thursday then, a very windy day. Many central and southern parts of Britain windy with some squally showers. This time I think rain really confined to the north, where again it'll be pretty blustery. Well, that's it from me with your British Isles weather. Now back to Miriam. I wonder what she's found in those Antrim woods. Let's see.